emotion being played through their phone because it allows them to sleep better. That rhythmic, that rocking, it's quite remarkable. At 3A, well, we mentioned a number of titles. What is the title for you that reminds you we're all interconnected? Do you have a song that reminds you of this? By the way, it's an interesting test. If you listen to music on your playlist where the words are constantly saying, it's you against the rest of the world, fight, fight, fight. Your problem, of course, is that that is not a sustainable philosophy long term. Because why? Well, it's always been about us. It's never been your life. It's always been about our life. Your life is not your life. Your life is our life. That is to say, we're all interconnected. What's the music that teaches? What's the video game that teaches you that? Yeah, no video games I play teach me that. Well, then invent that video game. Because that's an important lesson to teach children someday when you are the inventor, the creator of games. Finally, at 3B, what is the moment in your life when you finally realized how interconnected we all are? Another question at 3B, what has been your relationship to the study of science? I have sophomores who, when they read this essay, say, you know what? I need to give my science teacher another shot. Instead of walking through the door of a science classroom going, oh no, I hate this stuff. Maybe it's time for me to walk across the threshold and say, today I just want to learn one thing that blows my mind about this amazing thing called my life. This amazing thing about this world I get to live in. If you are a student who struggles with a sense of identity and belongingness, consider the following. A science class can remind you, you're never, ever alone. Dude, you've never been alone. From the moment two people hooked up and exchanged fluids to produce you, you've never been alone. You will never be alone. We're all in this thing together. A study of the shoreline can teach us. That's quite remarkable if you think about it. And Rachel Carson will pull it off. Well, there you go. The Marginal World. I hope that, and maybe it'll send you to read Silent Spring. I hope that it does. The genius of Carson. Thank you.